We're pleased as the UN to be part of this process to begin reimagining the reconciliation and social cohesion in Somalia based on the National Reconciliation Framework. Reconciliation is an important component in finding sustainable solutions for social, political, and territorial conflict. Simply put, it's a method for addressing grievances at all levels, promoting peace and peaceful relations. Last week, Mr. Minister, speaker after speaker stressed the importance of reconciliation as part of the strategy for sustainable stabilization of areas newly liberated from Al-Shabaab. We were reminded of the importance of a people-centered approach. Therefore, local communities will need to be at the heart of finding durable solutions. We also note the efforts made to ensure this process is inclusive through the representation of the federal member states. We notice the strong representation in the room today, the elders, the women's groups, and the youth in the process. But the real work now begins. How to not only finalize a strategy, but most important, ensure the strategy is implemented. As the UN, we stand ready to support you as you seek to strengthen trust and cohesion based on Somali values, norms, and learning. We stand ready to help you realize your vision of a peaceful and stable Somalia that is at peace with itself and its neighbors, and where no one feels left behind. I thank you.